Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are all good. So today I'm going to be doing an unbox, a swatch, a try, and a review on I Love Revolution Looney Tunes. With that being said, let's get started. So this is the palette right here. So this does have the tabbies. It's not heavy. Magnetic closure. It has a mirror in there. What's up, Doc? That's cute. It does have a protecting film in here. These are the colors. Now I'm gonna go ahead and swatch them. I'm gonna go ahead and try them out. Okay guys, this is the final look. What do you guys think? So I decided to do something a little bit simple, kind of like Tweety colors. I really like the yellows. They were the first colors that kind of got me into the palette. I like the packaging. I like that it has a magnetic closure, the protective film. I like that it has a mirror, especially kind of like a big one the size of this. They do have fallout. Any eyeshadow has fallout, regardless whether it's drugstore, high-end. You guys know I would have liked to have seen in this palette is black. They have colors for many of the Looney Tunes, especially like one or the other, kind of like Tweety, but I don't see a black one here. They have characters that have some black and like a vibrant red, and I don't see the vibrant red here nor the black color. Like I said, I like everything else. The colors are very pretty. They swatch very well. Of course, with my skin tone, colors like this one right here don't really show up, but every other color did show up, especially like you guys saw it in my swatches. The yellow is very pretty. The final rating, a 5 out of 5. This brings me to the end of the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys liked it, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. It helps me bring you guys more videos like these, and if you have, thank you so much. I hope you guys have a good evening, morning, nights, wherever you're at. Until next time, bye guys.